Immerse in the world of ideogram, a typographic generative AI. It's not just any AI, it's an AI with precise typography, perfect for all your branding and messaging needs. Unleash potential, create impact, and stand out with ideogram. Because with the right typography, you're not just saying something, you're making a statement. Experience the difference with ideogram. Revolutionize your branding today.
All right, today we're going to show you a couple of tools, and first one up is ideogram. And pretty immersive generative AI technology that's coming out, relatively new. But what sets us apart from Midjourney and from other diffusion tools is its ability to actually do accurate typography. So this is definitely a game changer, something that obviously Midjourney struggles with. If you've ever used Midjourney or any other generative AI, it basically can't get your text right. So free to use at this moment in time. Hopefully it stays that way. It's been backed by a pretty decent set of developers. There's a huge amount of funding that's come through, and they've raised over 16 million in funding. So again, something that obviously people believe in, buy into, and they've given us access to this application. Right, so if you haven't already, just sign it up. You can sign up with Google, and it will then basically take you in. So I'll just give you a quick demo of what I've been playing with. And just to test that it works. Again, as a viewer of my channel, I like to make sure things actually work. All right, so pretty simple interface. You'd see over here, you can basically do your text to image. You got your aspect ratios on the right hand side over here, and you can start creating types of styles. So it's a photo, a poster, render, etc., or typography. So what we're going to do is I'll show you a quick view of what I've done. All right, so I basically did a brain of life in neon. I've done some AI on a monk, and I said we are real on a robot, save my job. Yeah, so again, it looks pretty decent. And again, I think there's going to be a couple of nuances, but you'll just have to keep tweaking it up and playing around. So I'll just quickly give you a demo over here, and let's see what this does. All right, so I've got a command over here, a Shaolin monk holding up a sign that says hello. And it's a photo, and we're going to do typography, and let's hit generate. All right, so the generation process takes a few seconds. It's not bad at all. And as you can see, it's making pretty short work of what I asked it to do. Again, this is quite fantastic. I mean, as you can see here, it's hit the brief almost immediately. Okay, this last image over here and heli, maybe not, but definitely these first two. So there's hello. We can now remix this as well. So pretty awesome. There's a bit of a funkiness over there. No, it looks all right. All right, so you can click on remix, and what it'll do now is it will create another 3 or 4 images. So as you can see, typography with the subject is now being able to be generated. And you can have a look over here as well. You can see what people have done over here. So stop smoking sign, let's get physical, absinthe, the drink, let's be inspired. So again, as you can see here, it's taking actual images and it's using different typography and different words. How absolutely fantastic. All right, so that's the first part of the demo. All right, so what I wanted to show you now is how to make this image move a little bit, because you don't want a static image on your web banner or anything like that. So how about we take this image? I quite like, let's take this image over here. Hello, he's holding the sign, and let's click on the download button. All right, so what we're going to do now is go into Pika Labs. So if you don't already have Pika Labs, have a look at one of my other videos. I'll put the link in the description. And what we're going to try to do now is get this image to move. And a pretty cool feature within Pika Labs. So you can just do the animate command, which is going to be super simple. All right, so once you've signed up to Pika Labs, click on Pika Labs icon in Discord. Again, all links and all videos will be available to show you how to get to this point. Let's click on one of the rooms, and I'm in this generate room number 6. All right, so super simple to animate a scene. /animate, and let's drag the image. Hello. And we can maybe add in here saying fast motion happy smile, and hit enter. All right, so the image has now been created, and what we can see over here is his face is smiling and he's moving, and he's moved his head a little bit. So pretty subtle movements, but again, more realistic. He's holding up a sign. What you do now is you click on the download button, and you then take that image and apply it to whichever scenario that you would like. So again, using a ideogram, creating a beautiful image with typography that's accurate, creating some movement on it using Pika Labs, all free tools at this stage. And if you wanted to create a video of this particular item, you'd go into InVideo, create an AI video. Let's do a YouTube explainer. So create a 15-second video about the ideogram as a tool for your business. Uses exact typography. All right, and choose your voice, female, and let's do a middle-aged British, and use iStock normally, and hit continue. So we want to create a 15-second sort of blurb, and it's going to be a create a video. It'll now just take that information, have a squiz about it, and create a video for you. And what you see now is the video that has been created. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and see you soon.
Immerse in the world of ideogram, a typographic generative AI. It's not just any AI, it's an AI with precise typography, perfect for all your branding and messaging needs. Unleash potential, create impact, and stand out with ideogram. Because with the right typography, you're not just saying something, you're making a statement. Experience the difference with ideogram. Revolutionize your branding today.